Good morning, everyone. This is Kathy from Artemisa. Today we have an Isuzu Axiom. It's a 2002. Unfortunately, it won't start. We have here Marcelo diagnosing it, trying to figure out what's causing it not to start. We have him here working on the fuse box. And I think he just found the reason why. Here he is. We gotta lift it up now, and he has to get out that fuse that accidentally fell. And we have this Chevy Impala 2014. Customer did the front brakes, and the pedal seems to be going all the way back when they step on it. Most likely the lines got air, and now we have to bleed the brakes for them. So I'll give you guys an update when we're done with these vehicles. I hope everyone has a great day, and see you all soon. Bye.